What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We got another one back. She's been having some upper back, shoulder pain. They were coming in and then actually got in a little bit of a accident, so kind of got them good, and now we gotta refix them. So we're gonna start with heat, kind of loosen those muscles up, get the muscles relaxed so we can get a better adjustment.
Feeling nice and relaxed, babe?
Tender still on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my lungs are definitely up. That part of my back's definitely loosening up now.
You had those two spots here and here for you. That was kind of good. Still really tight through here. Yeah, you definitely took more of the beating than he did, unfortunately. Good. Loosening up a little bit. Okay, lift your chin up just a little bit. Okay, yeah, still really stiff in here. Holy cow. You're like, yeah, I know.
Tell me about it.
Lift your chin up a little bit. Then relax right down on your chin. Good. Good. Already better than last time. Same thing. Kind of go up under your chin a little bit and relax right on your chin. Try not to pull your hair. Good. A lot better that time. Which side was worse for you? Is it the left or the right, or is it kind of both?
It's both, like the left side of my neck, but the right side of my back more. I feel
Okay.
like.
Right side down lower? Okay. Alright, one flip on your back, we'll take care of your neck. So usually what I'm doing with that first one, face down, is getting that that's kind of the area that doesn't move a lot. So by doing that, I can get it open up a lot more. As opposed to when you adjust like this, most of the motion in your neck is from the upper part. So like up here.
Okay.
So when I do this and I'm actually putting your neck through motion, we're getting more of the upper ones to go. It's really, really hard to get down into that lower cervical spine. So that's why I do the other one. And we can, but it's very, very difficult. And it's usually kind of painful because that's usually a tender area when people are having pain there. So I don't like to step into it. I like to just open it up. How's your headaches been?
The last 2 nights have been a little bit worse. Yeah.
Well, if he didn't drive you into a wall, you'd have been
Yeah,
alright.
I've been fine.
It's all his fault. It's all his fault. Location's not bad.
Finally, somebody sees it mine.
It's the truck's fault. In the wall. Shouldn't have been there.
Shouldn't have been there.
Yeah, the wall should have been there.
Came out of nowhere, Doc.
That just relax. That right shoulder kind of just fall. Good. Same thing here. Took the satisfaction out of it. Sometimes you can just work it right in there.
It's just popping.
Good.
Moved around.
Good.
Yeah, this side popped when he was
Slid.
pulling that side.
If you wiggle it right in, sometimes it's like. Alright, we're gonna go over there and do a little back.
That's the one that's really hard for me to relax on.
Which one? Low back.
This one.
Yeah.
But my back is loosening
It's
up.
sometimes it's really far to go like this, so like it's a far stretch. So people resist a little bit. The right shorts now. Get my balance. Okay, good. Okay. Let's go that way.
I'm kind of in the middle of my back.
Yeah, it traveled this time.
Yeah, you definitely carry more tension than he does. A little bit more. Okay. Good. Awesome. But we're gonna do the other one first, so I'm gonna check your upper back. Getting ahead of
I'm
me.
ahead of myself.
Yeah, I got some big ones in that thoracic today.
Yeah.
I think it was just 2 or 3 that popped.
Okay. Change your chest, so you're gonna do that. Hold on. Let me get my hand under there. Okay.
Ooh.
Boom!
That might be your head.
It's gone.
People get a lot, if you get anterior between the shoulder blades, a lot of headaches.
She's always
A
complaining.
lot of headaches. A
about
lot of tension headaches. That. Wish every patient was like that. Just get set up for me. I'll just go sit. I'll just go sit in the corner.
Don't do that. We got the motions now, but that's about it.
I'll just step on some bubble wrap and behind the camera.
Give me some in the background.
Crack my own back.
Your favorite part?
Just relax, babe. I got a really good one this time.
Rotate your head to the right a little bit. There you go. Okay, then relax, 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 relax. Good. Make sure we're nice and straight. Okay. Breath in. Breath out. Good. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in. Good.
How was that?
Stay there, relax. I gotta trick you on the breast because
Yeah.
she like almost anticipates itself.
Did it pop there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Just let it relax, okay? Before you get up.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.